안녕하세요. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. This is James Lee from INSPIR. I would like to show my appreciation for something to organize this OpenInfra and Cloud Native Day so that I can have the opportunity to share the great moment with all of friends here. Also thanks to Mr. Jung Yu Park, Mr. Jung Soo Kim. Thanks for their today's help for INSPIR. My today's report is Open Compute, build efficient base of digital infrastructure. There will be 3 parts in the report. A brief introduction of INSPIR. The second is about OCP, Global and China Development Status. The last most important part is INSPIR judgment and forecast on the data center development trends. INSPIR is a leading data center and cloud computing solution provider. Has the headquarters in China and the United States. INSPIR cutting-edge hardware products and designs are widely delivered and deployed in major data centers globally, serving important technology arenas like open computing, AI, big data. INSPIR works with customers to develop purpose-built, performance-optimized solutions that empower them to tackle different workloads. Refer to the latest data from the IDC for the global server shipment share in the Q1 of 2022, INSPIR position number 2. For the AI server, position number 1. And for the cloud server is number 1 position. For number 3 is about our storage. I will update about INSPIR Korea business. INSPIR registered as an independent foreign company in South Korea in 2016. The office is located in the Uido IFC Center. We warmly welcome you to visit us. We sincerely thank to Korea for its inclusive and open business environment. With the strong support of our partner and INSPIR's continued trust the customers, INSPIR in the past few years, we have very healthy and rapid growth. Through this picture, this is second quarter of 2022. We can see the green line is about INSPIR. We are positioning number 3 with the marketing share 16%. INSPIR delivery industry or the customers is fully matched about the Korea, about share the overall Korea market. Through this IDC data, we can see in 2021, for the whole Korea market, we delivered 200,000 servers. And more than half of them delivered to the professional service. This professional service including internet service like Naver, Kakao, also for the telecom cloud services like SKT, KT. INSPIR always adhere to the technology innovation, high-quality product research and development, and fast delivery to meet different customer needs. INSPIR has 8 R&D centers, 10 manufacturers, and business can cover 120 countries. In the past few years, INSPIR global R&D and production, as well as the nearby delivery, has assisted the world digital transformation process. For the Korea market, INSPIR can quickly allocate resource from 6 manufacturers in China mainland, China, Taiwan, and also the South Asia factory for a fast delivery. Okay, next let us see the OCP development. For the global, at the beginning I see the committee member already introduced about the OCP. So OCP was established in 2011 till now, already 11 years. Its main goal was to create the most energy-saving, low-cost data center. In the past 11 years development, OCP, community and industry, grows rapidly. Till now, the OCP has around 16,000 participators globally and more than 240 community members, even 5,000 engineers. For the global OCP server, annual market size already reached to 40 billion USD. And for the annual deployment, already 4.7 million units. For the cloud OCP annual server computing power share already reached to 34%. According to the OpenInfra and Inspire Global Open Compute Development Report, we can see 40% of the world server will be based on the OCP standard till 2025. But in 2016, this number is still 7%. Open Compute now is penetrating into the 9 internet industry and market. It will reach to 21% till 21% of the open computer share by 2025. This 9 industry customer will include telecom operator, even large conglomerate, the large enterprise companies. Let us see OCP China. After 10 years development, OCP China has entered into the fast development line now. More and more people pay attention and join the OCP community. During the OCP China Day 2021, which organized in Beijing on October 10th, there are more than 45 OCP members, more than 2,300 attendees, and more than 1 million online live viewers. By today, in China, there are more than 30 OCP partners, more than 5,000 community participators, and the society, the so-called, the skill of the OCP industry has exceeded billions of US dollars. China OCP has made important contribution to the OCP organizations in many innovative directions, such as hardware technical specification, interface protocols, and architecture design. For example, the mesh card for the network card, developed based on OCP standard, has been scaled deployed to the servers from the mainstream server vendors, including Inspire. The OAI, OEM technology has been compatible and covered more than 60% of the accelerated card. Let us see about Inspire OCP journey. Inspire has experienced three stages in open compute development. The first stage was from 2010 to 2013. During this time, Inspire mainly explored the open computing in China market. During this time, Inspire research and development the open rack. These products, Inspire gained 70% of market share. The second stage was from 2014 to 2019. During this time, Inspire fully embraced open compute and was the world's only vendor participate in 3 open organizations at the same time. They are the ODCC, Open Compute, and Open19. Inspire, the third stage now, is looking forward to contribute or to promote leading technology products and industry collaboration models to the open compute organization through establishing the standards and the technology to promote data center high quality development. So next we will see about the data center, the future trends. As we know, the digital and the real-world fusion is promoting the high-quality development of personal life, business management, social governance, and the coexistence of human and nature. But we should acknowledge the digital and the real-world fusion. They faces many challenges, such as complex and diverse application scenarios. Also, like the information polymorphic interactions occur and instant decision makings. Meanwhile, the fusion has higher requirement for computing power. According to the Roland Berg forecast, the per capita computing power will increase 20 times from 500 gigaflop to 10 teraflop by 2035. We know the core of the supporting computing power is from the data center. Next, I will share the data center deployment trend and the countermeasures for dealing with these challenges. First of all, let us see the international or the national policy requirements for the data center. Here, I will use China as the example. In 2021, China data center total electricity power consumption reached to 216 billion kilowatt hour, accounting for 2.6% of whole China electricity consumption. And this power electricity consumption equal to 1.3 times of Shanghai city whole year the electricity use. It is estimated that by 2030, China data center total electricity consumption will reach to 600 billion kilowatt hour, which are accounting for 5% of the whole country electricity consumption. As the global carbon reduce strategy, China National Development and Reform Commissions, the Administration for the Energy, even the Ministry of Information and Technology, they put forward requirements on data centers development. They have 3 requirements. The first one is for the new high-scaled or super-scale data center, its PUE must be below 1.3. For the national hub data center, its PUE must be below 1.2. And for the already exist data center, whose PUE is above 1.5, they must have 3 years improved plan to reduce the energy consumption. Except for the national policy, also let us see the industry trend. The industry intelligent development, the enterprise digital transformation has also promoted the diverse computing power deployment. Like auto driving requires onboard data processing to make sure the drive safety. And industry quality inspection, they require the data to be processed in the factory to make sure the high quality, the results. The intelligent application also need higher requirements on the computing power. They need their timeliness decision, drive computing power. They need the computing power to be close to the data, and need the computing power to be processing in the edge. So the cloud edge device will become new models for future data center development. Let us see the user side. The future data center will develop in the direction of centralized and scaled. Faster, high efficient, and low cost will become the core demand of hyperscale data center users. Third-party data shows that the hyperscale data center will increase from 500 in 2019 to 800 in 2022, while the number of data center will decrease from 400,000 in 2021 to 350,000 by 2025. That means the large-scale data center will be more and more in the coming years. INSPIR has a large number of hyperscale data center users. So we do the survey on them. After the hyperscale data center comes, what's your concerns? So we found that after data center centralized and scale development deployed, the users will pay more attention on data center application deployment flexibility, fast delivery, high efficient operation and management, even the cost deduction. Among them, the PUE reduction will be the basic requirement. Okay, so we see from the previous contents, we see the country, the industry, and the end user, they have higher requirement for the data center. Based on these requirements, INSPIR found 15 barriers or problems are impacting the data center high-quality development. Through the analysis, classification, and quantification of this problem, we formed 5 optimization directions that they are high-efficient operating and management, faster delivery, green energy saving, multi-computing power, and cloud edge synergy. I will explain them separately. So, for the hyperscale data centers, it usually includes computing room, environment, infrastructure, IT equipment, and system data. IT equipment usually has various equipment types, massive operation and management data, and different resource utilization. If we do it manually, the upper limit of one person to operate and maintenance is around 400 devices. So if we operate one data center with 200,000 servers, you need at least 500 people to do that. This will increase the cost and reduce the operation efficiency. How to improve it? The direction should be standard automation, visualization, and intelligence. Build open and standard data center interface and protocols to achieve platform normalization and security. Through automated operation and management to reduce manual operations and improve the efficiency. Excuse me? Okay. Yeah. In the data center operating and management, INSPIR has built a standard, open, and intelligent solution to help data center cross-platform operating and management. In the hardware management, INSPIR provides open managed solutions such as OpenBMC, OpenRMC. In the monitor protocol, INSPIR can provide standard protocols such as Redfish, IPMI, SNMP. INSPIR SPIM platform provides standard user interface and third parties platform access interface. So it can realize non-intrusive outbound management and automated asset management, digital twin, visual management, and other solutions. The management scale can reach more than 100,000 servers. Till now, INSPIR solution has deployed in various industries such as finance, communication, energy, and the internet. For example, in a CSP customer, the solution realized automated operation and management for around 20,000 servers. These 20,000 servers located in three data centers, and in 2 different cities. Using INSPIR solution, it improved 10 times overall management efficiency. Different skill users have different requirements for the delivery cycle. For example, for top internet customer, they have annual demands for 200,000 server, 200,000 to 600,000 server annually. The delivery, perhaps it will take 6 months, and the peak daily delivery will be around 10,000. For the traditional industry customers whose annual demand around 50,000 to 200,000 servers, the delivery may be continued for 4 months, and the peak daily delivery around 5,000. If they use the traditional delivery model, the single node delivery model. So each person can deliver 12 servers per day. So if they use traditional, the delivery window is not acceptable. We made a comparison with the condition of 1,500 server delivery. It takes about 125 man days with a single node model. If we use the whole rack without a switch, it will take 45 days. But if we make the whole rack delivery with the server, with the switches, it only takes 25 man day. So use this high scale delivery model, we can see the delivery efficiency improved 5 times. So the conclusion is the higher integration delivery will bring less delivery time and lower delivery cost. INSPIR has many years' efforts and the technology accumulation in the whole rack delivery. INSPIR started the rack scale development and delivery since 2010, and can provide various solutions for hyperscale and large-scale data centers. Through standard cabinets plus the standard server, INSPIR can realize the manufacture is the delivery. That means INSPIR can finish many delivery process during the manufacture. So the advanced production process improve the delivery efficiency by 5 to 10 times. The rack scale delivery also can easily to move, to migrate. INSPIR create a world record. Till now, still there. This is about 8 hours. INSPIR deliver 10,000 servers. Also, INSPIR can provide modular data center solutions. Through the modular data center pre-install process, the end user can save 50% of the data center construction time. Currently, many data center PUE is still around 2. The IT equipment, AC cooling, and power supply facilities, power consumption accounts for 98 of the entire data center power consumption. In order to reduce the data center PUE, reduce the AC cooling power will be the core. In front of the current technology, the only way to reduce the PUE is to reduce data center PUE to below 1.2 is the liquid cooling. Through the medium voltage direct supply, the high voltage direct current, and centralized power supply, we can save more than 40% of the power consumption. taking a data center with 10,000 servers as an example, if we use this green energy-saving technology, we can reduce nearly 50,000 tons of carbon dioxide emissions in a year. In terms of green energy saving, INSPIR continues the innovation research, helps data center green and low carbon upgrade through openness, innovation, and standard. INSPIR and GD is Jingdong, is one commercial e-commerce e-commerce company in China. So we jointly develop a new generation green data center products. It supports cold plate liquid cooling and centralized power supply and all-in-one integrated deliveries. It reduces 3 power loss through high voltage DC power supply and reduces 36 power loss through the cabinet level liquid cooling and save 10% power consumption through the front I/O architecture design. So the product saved more than 40% cumulative power consumption. Additionally, INSPIR also can provide the traditional data center liquid cooling renovation solutions. This solution can reduce the overall power consumption from 10% to 40%. As in the intelligent computing area, computing scenarios are devised. They are like big data, like AI inference, AI training, mission-critical computing, scientific computing. So they need or require computing power from megabyte level to petabyte level. The computing type also show a variety of computing precisions. In order to support the implementation of diverse computing scenarios, computing power chip industry is flourishing everywhere. So in the future, the coexistence of general computing chip, definable computing chip, and AI computing chip will be the main theme in the future. Fusion, standard, and accurate will help computing power infrastructure operate efficiently. Through reconfigure hardware, we can build compute, storage, and I/O resource pool easily. Through software-defined methods, business-aware and on-demand composition can provide the computing power service quickly and efficiently to image recognition, natural language processing, big data, and others. Now, with the emergence of 5G and artificial intelligence technology, 5G is no longer the core requirement of the personal communication. Artificial intelligence also move towards to the whole society and integrate with the real economy. The coexistence and synergy of cloud, edge, and the device will be the future data center development direction. So through this figure, we can see in the future, there will be 20% of the decision will be in the device side, and 6% the decision will be in the edge side. INSPIR provides complete edge solutions, including edge microserver, portable server, edge microserver, and data centers. As a summary, we can promote a data center cost-effective, green, and high-efficient development through these 5 directions. Meanwhile, open compute is also the only way to achieve data center high-quality development. Unfortunately, most of the open compute technology are still in the hand of few top companies. So we need to work together to jointly promote the open community expansion, build open standards, build the open ecosystem, unite the upstream and the downstream industries, universal data center leading technology to achieve high-quality data center development and contribute to a green and low-carbon world. Finally, I want to warmly invite all of the people here to visit the INSPIR booth. We have the world's first 2U 4-socket OCP server, and also we have the joint development with Samsung. This is for the President server there. So thank you so much. Thank you.